Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from Group 5. We'll be presenting Hydrology Flood Mitigation. And this is me. I am Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad Fairuz, and my metric number is AA 240683. I am as the group leader. I have distributed tasks fairly and helped my teammates work together to ensure our project runs smoothly. And this is my team member, Nur Idina Safura, Nurul Hazwani, Muhammad Haris Shahmi, and Nur Shafika Amani. I will start this presentation with introduction. Flooding significantly impacts communities, especially in Malaysia, due to heavy rainfall and urban development. This project within the DAC 21502 Hydrology course focuses on designing a flood mitigation pond to reduce flood risk. Utilizing hydrological principles and head-rest modeling, students will create an innovative pond design. The project enhances teamwork, critical thinking, and provides hands-on experience in flood mitigation strategies, culminating in a comprehensive report. I will let my team member to continue our presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Hazwani binti Maznin, metric number AA241739. I want to talk about objective of flood mitigation. This project aims to teach students the practical application of hydrological and hydraulic knowledge in solving real-world flood problem through flood mitigation system. Specifically, a flood mitigation point. It focuses on understanding flow routing process, analyzing water volume and flow rate change, and developing storage system like pond to manage flow water efficiently. Students will also develop technical competency in using HRS, a hydraulic modeling software, and encourage creativity in designing the pond structure. The project also promotes teamwork and communication skill as students will collaboration in planning meeting and discuss design idea openly. The project also enhances students' ability to prepare and present technical reports, a crucial skill in the engineering profession. The project raises students' awareness of flood mitigation's importance in sustainable development and public safety, preparing them for their future role as civil engineers in building resilient societies. Next, we go to activity with evidence. On 18 May 2025, we carry out two main activities, which is first held an initial online group meetings to assign role and discuss project plan. Second, we have divided the task according to the format set on the author platform, and each group member choose the part they need to complete based on that division. Third, initial simulation using HRS software on 23 June 2025. Then we design improvement based on simulation result. Number 5, report writing and group documentation. And number 6, slide and video presentation preparation.
Okay, for the discussion part, this project allowed us to apply hydrological theory to real-world solving problem like flood challenge using HRS modeling. Through collaborative planning and design, we create an effective flood mitigation pond that reduce peak discharge and improve local water management. Beyond technical outcomes, we strengthen our teamwork, modeling, and presentation skill. Most importantly, the project highlight the value of sustainable, climate resilient infrastructure, preparing us for future roles in civil engineering practice. That's all for me. Okay, for the result, the flood mitigation pond was successfully designed and tested using the HRS modeling software. By simulation various storm scenarios, we evaluated the pond's ability to manage runoff and mitigate flooding within the selected area. These outcomes validate our planning and modeling efforts, proving that a well-designed detention pond can serve as a practical and multifunctional solution to urban flood risk.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Naidina Safra binti Yusof. My metric number is AA240218. So this is the implementation for our project. So the result is downstream flow risk reduced by 30 to 50%. Control peak discharge and velocity. The benefit of this project to support groundwater recharge and potential for recreational or green use. So that we can conclude for the project is the design is effective under various flow scenarios. Recommends further study on overflow control and sedimentation. This is the previous work. The left side is the picture that we need to do, and there's the second picture in the right side is the system that we need to use, which is HRS system.
Assalamualaikum and good day. Our group project focused on designing a flood mitigation plan using the Harris model. The project helped us apply what we learned in the hydrology course to a real-life engineering problem, how to control flooding, especially in urban areas. We began by studying the cause of floods and analyzing data like rainfall, topography, and water flow. Then we use Harris to simulate different point design. After discussion and later feedback, we finalized a design that was pretty effective and sustainable for the area. From the result of pond design such as me, reduce the peak runoff and flood risk. We also learned the importance of teamwork communication and using digital tools confidently. In conclusion, this project strengthened our technical and soft skills, which prepare us to handle real challenges in water management and future engineering works. After concluding our project, we would like to share a few key feature recommendations. Firstly, future projects should use more real-time and site-specific data. This includes actual rainfall and site conditions to improve the accuracy of Harris modeling. Using GIS together with Harris can also provide a better spatial understanding of flood-prone areas. Secondly, we suggest comparing different mitigation methods such as dentation, fencing, rain garden, or underground storage to find the most suitable solution depending on the site. Next, fishing group should include basic cost analysis, estimating costs for excavation, material, and maintenance makes the design more realistic and industry relevant. Environmental and social impact should also be considered. A well-designed pond can support biodiversity and benefit local communities, especially if community feedback is included. Lastly, we recommend improving interdisciplinary collaboration by involving professionals through talks or site visits to better understand the real-world flood management. These suggestions can help improve the academic and practical value on future flood mitigation projects.
You're always on my mind. That's how much I care. I can't think of